What's up, guys? Okay, so it was a good day in the market for me. I had two profitable trades, one on UStock and one on ThinkorSwim. And so this is my trade on ThinkorSwim this morning. I was watching MTBC and gapped up pre-market, and I was looking forward to break that pre-market high. And so yeah, that's slowly becoming one of my favorite setups. Is the stock gaps up a little bit in pre-market and after hours, and then it drops a little bit, not a lot to actually fill the entire gap, but just some, so it has that opportunity to break past that pre-market high at the open. And so yeah, I got in at $1.74. Luckily for me, it pushed up a good bit right as soon as I entered the trade. And so I had a little bit of leeway to hold and see what happens, and let the trade work for me. It eventually dipped back down, forming a bull flag. And so even though it dipped back down a little bit below my entrance of $1.74, I was comfortable holding it. I was pretty confident it would at least push towards that previous high at $1.82 and hopefully break out past it. You can see here I pulled up my UStockTrade window. I was actually considering getting in CLSN because it looked like a good washout long setup, if you could see on the bottom right. But it was a fake out, and it eventually fell back down and washed out. And so I think it was getting squeezed a lot. The longs were getting squeezed. And, if you don't know what a squeeze is, it's basically when a stock drops back down and the longs cover. And the more longs that cover, the lower it drops. And it kind of starts a big chain reaction of the stock either dropping or going up, depending on which type of squeeze it is, a long squeeze or a short squeeze. And so, yeah, I'm glad I didn't get in CLSN. You got to be really careful with these breakouts. And that's why I'm excited to use UStock, because I can enter in with a small position size at first and then scale bigger if the stock goes my way. And so, yeah, I was happy with my trading today for sure. I had two profitable trades, a very small win on UStock and, a decent win on this one for my small account on ThinkorSwim. Once I saw the stock bounce back down and dip a little bit on MTBC and start to push back up that $1.82, my confidence gained a lot. As you can see here, it starts to make another push. And so, yeah, I'm happy with where I'm at for sure with my trading so far. I've had 9 profitable trades and 2 losing trades, and so I'm definitely happy with that percentage and, happy with where I'm at. I have to be very careful not to overtrade on UStockTrade since there's no pattern day trading rule. Yeah, because that's how I blew up my SureTrader account, and so I definitely need to work on that. But so far, I only traded once on UStockTrade after my ThinkorSwim trade, and so yeah, I'm working on my discipline, and hopefully I can continue to implement that discipline and keep making profitable trades. And so, yeah, you can see here it finally pushes towards that $1.82 previous high. I was really looking to see if it could get to $1.90 before exiting the trade. But, I'm glad I got out when I did, because it did eventually wash back out. I think it pushed back towards 2 later on in the day, but I wouldn't have held it for that long. So I'm happy I got out when I did for a small $45 gain. And so, yeah, that was my trading day, guys. If you want to keep watching more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and good luck in the markets.